Hello students, today we are going to start annuity, second chapter from maths to insurance and annuity. In previous lecture, we studied about insurance. Now in this lecture, we start annuity. An annuity is a series of payments at fixed intervals guaranteed for a fixed number of years or the lifetime of one or more individuals. Now, classification of annuities. Annuities are classified in three categories according to the commencement of income. These three categories are immediate annuity, annuity due, and deferred annuity. This last deferred annuity not in your syllabus. Okay, let's start immediate annuity. This immediate annuity is also called ordinary annuity. The immediate annuity commences immediately after the end of the first income period. For instance, if the annuity is to be paid annually, then the first installment will be paid at the expiry of 1 year. Similarly, in a half-yearly annuity, the payment will begin at the end of 6 months. The annuity can be paid either yearly, half-yearly, quarterly, or monthly. Next concept is annuity due. Under this annuity, the payment of installment starts from the time of contract. The first payment is made as soon as the contract is finalized. The premium is generally paid in single amount but can be paid in installments as is discussed in the deferred annuity. The difference between the annuity due and immediate due is that the payment for each period is paid in the beginning under the annuity due contract, while at the end of the period in the immediate annuity contract. Let's start immediate annuity. Payments are made at the end of every time period in immediate annuity. Basic formula for an immediate annuity is the accumulated value A of an immediate annuity for an annual payments of an amount C at the interest rate R% per annum compounded annually is given by A is equal to C upon I into bracket 1 plus I raised to n minus 1, where I is equal to R upon 100. This I is not given in your question. That I you have to calculate. Then A is equal to accumulated value of annuity, C is equal to compounded annuity, R is equal to rate of interest. In your question, suppose they asked find accumulated value, then you apply this formula. Suppose in your question they ask present value of annuity, then you apply this formula. P is equal to C upon I 1 minus 1 plus I raised to minus 1 minus n, where P is equal to present value of annuity, that C and R is as it is. C means your compounded annuity and R is rate of interest. Understood? Now the present value of the future value, the present value and the future value of an annuity have the following relations. A is equal to P into bracket 1 plus I raised to n. Next relation is 1 upon P minus 1 upon A is equal to I upon C. Let's start our exercise 2.2. In this, your first question is find the accumulated value of annuity of rupees 800 for 3 years at interest rate 8% compounded annually. Given that 1.08 raised to 3 is equal to 1.2597. Now, before to start answering the question, first of all you have to write what is given. So given that C is equal to rupees 800, N is equal to 3 years, R is equal to 8%, and from this I you have to calculate I. So I is equal to R upon 100, R is 8 upon 100 is equal to 0.08. Let's start. We know that A is equal to C upon I 1 plus I raised to n minus 1. C is what? Your 800. So 800 upon 0.08 into 1 plus 0.08 raised to 3 minus 1. Now convert this 0.08. We can in decimal. This is in decimal. You have to convert this in rational form. So it can be written as 8 upon 100. And this 100 goes in numerator. Then this can be written as 800 into 100 upon 8. This is 1 plus 0.8 raised to 3 minus 1. Divide it. 8 ones are 8. 8 ones are 8. These two zeros. 100 into 100 is 10,000. 10,000 into this 1.08 raised to 3. That value is given. It is 1.2597. And this minus 1 is as it is. Subtract this. You got 0.2597. And you have to do multiplication. 10,000 into 0.2597. On 2597. You brought 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros, and then after that you have to do multiplication. Then this is 2597. Therefore, accumulated value of annuity is rupees 2,597. Third question is find the amount accumulated after 2 years if the sum of rupees 2,000 is invested every 6 months at 12% per annum, compounded half yearly, and again in this case given that 1.06 raised to 4 it is equal to 1.2625. Again same way, first of all you have to find given. So given that C is equal to rupees 24,000, N is equal to 2 years, and R is equal to 12% per annum. Since amount is invested at the end of every 6 months. So here N is 2 into 2 because it is 2 years. N is equal to what? 2 years is given, but this is for half year, 6 months. That's why 2 into 2 is equal to 4 half years. And R again changed. R is what? 12%, but half yearly के लिए हम half करके देंगे, इसलिए upon 6 करेंगे. 12 upon 6 is equal to 6% half year. So I is equal to R upon 100 is equal to 6 upon 100, and this is equal to 0.06. Again we know that A is equal to C upon I, 1 plus I raised to N minus 1. Put the values. C is 24,000, I is 0.06, 1 plus 0.06 raised to 4 minus 1. 24,000 is as it is into 0.06 can be written as 6 upon 100, 100 upon 6. So 6 ones are 6, 6 fours are 24. So it is 4,000 into 100 is 4 lakh. And here do the addition 1.06 raised to 4 minus 1. And this value is given. That value is what? 1.2625 minus 1. Do the subtraction. After subtraction you got 0.2625. Do the multiplication. You got the answer 1,05,000. Therefore, amount accumulated is rupees 1,05,000. This complete your third question. Now go to fifth question. Your fifth question is find the present value of an annuity immediate of rupees 36,000 per annum for 3 years at 9% per annum compounded annually. Again same way, given that C is equal to rupees 36,000, N is equal to 3 years, R is equal to 9%. From this R, you have to calculate I is equal to R upon 100, R is 9, 9 upon 100 is equal to 0.09. So 1.09 raised to minus 3 is equal to 0.7722. That value is given. So yeah, here you have to find present value. So we can't apply this A formula. We have to apply P formula. P is equal to C upon I into bracket 1 minus 1 plus I raised to minus N. Put the values. C is equal to 36,000. I is 0.09. 1 minus 1 plus 0.09 raised to minus 3. Again do the calculation. This 0.09 can be written as 9 upon 100 and this can be written as 36,000. Into 100 upon 9, and 9 ones are 9, 9 fours are 36, so it becomes 4,000 into 100, then it becomes 4 lakh. And here again do the addition 1.09 raised to minus 3. Its value is 1.09 raised to minus 3, value is what? 0.7722. So 1 minus 0.7722. Do the subtraction. After subtraction, you got 0.2278. Do the multiplication. After multiplication, you got 91,120. Therefore, present value is rupees 91,120. This complete your fifth question. I hope you understand. Okay. Now next concept is annuity due. So here again two different formulas are present. So payments are made at the beginning every time period in annuity due. Annuity due के लिए आपके पास फॉर्मूला है ए डैश. कंपाउंडेड एन्युटी के लिए ए हम अप्लाई कर रहे थे. नाउ एन्युटी ड्यू फाइंड करने के लिए हम अप्लाई करेंगे. ड्यू आया तो डैश आया. ये आप याद रखो. एन्युटी ड्यू आया तो ए डैश आया. ड्यू मतलब डैश. तो ए कॉम्प्लीमेंट इज इक्वल टू ए डैश और ए कॉम्प्लीमेंट यू कैन रीड बोथ वे. ए कॉम्प्लीमेंट और ए डैश. सो ए डैश इज इक्वल टू सी इंटू ब्रैकेट 1 प्लस आई अपॉन आई इंटू ब्रैकेट 1 प्लस आई रेस टू एन माइनस 1. ओनली द डिफरेंस इज यहाँ पे उन्होंने मल्टीप्लीकेशन किया है 1 प्लस आई से. बाकी ए का फॉर्मूला एज इट इज है. ओके. सो वेर ए कॉम्प्लीमेंट मीन्स ए डैश इज एक्यूमुलेटेड वैल्यू ऑफ एन्युटी ड्यू. सिमिलरली पी कॉम्प्लीमेंट और पी डैश इज इक्वल टू सी इंटू 1 प्लस आई अपॉन आई into bracket 1 minus 1 plus I raised to minus n, where P dash is present value of annuity due. Now the relation between A dash and P dash is A dash is equal to P dash into bracket 1 plus I raised to n, and 1 upon P dash minus 1 upon A dash is equal to I upon C into bracket 1 plus I. Let's start our 11th question. 11th question is find the accumulated value of annuity due of rupees 1,000 per annum for 3 years at 10% per annum compounded annually. Again given that C is equal to rupees 1,000, N is equal to 3 years, R is equal to 10%. So from this you have to calculate I is equal to 10 upon 100. It is 0.1, and again 1.1 raised to 3 is equal to 1.331. That value is given. So here you have to find accumulated value of annuity. Due word is present, so you apply A complement. A complement is equal to C into bracket 1 plus I upon I into 1 plus I raised to n minus 1. Put the values. C is 1,000. 1 plus 0.1 upon 0.1 into bracket 1 plus 0.1 raised to n minus 1. Do the multiplication. 1,000. Its addition is what? 1.1, and 0.1 can be written as 10 upon 1. And this addition is 1.1 raised to 3 minus 1. So after doing multiplication, your answer is 11,000 into bracket this 1.1 raised to 3. Its value is given. That value is 1.331 minus 1. So 11,000 into bracket. Do the subtraction. After subtraction, your answer is 0.331. After multiplication, your answer is rupees 3,641. Therefore, accumulated value of annuity due is rupees 3,641. Now, this complete your question number 11. Now, let's start our next question, 14th question. In this, the question is an annuity immediate is to be paid for some years at 12% per annum. The present value of annuity is rupees 10,000 and the accumulated value is rupees 20,000. Find the amount of each annuity payment. See what is given here. Given that P is equal to 10,000 is given, present value is given, and accumulated value is given. Present value means P is given, accumulated value means A is given. R is equal to 12% again is given, and what you have to find? You have to find C. Find the amount of each annuity payment means what? You have to find C. Okay, so find first I. I is equal to R upon 100, 12 upon 100, 0.12. Now here we apply relation between A and P means accumulated value and present value. Its relation is what? 1 upon P minus 1 upon A is equal to I upon C. Put the values. 1 upon 10,000 minus 1 upon 20,000. It is equal to 0.12 upon C. यहाँ पे denominator same नहीं है. So you have to do multiplication here by 2. then this become 20,000. So here also 2 से multiply करना पड़ेगा. So 2 upon 20,000 minus 1 upon 20,000 is equal to 0.12 upon C. 2 base is same, so denominator is same, then you have to subtract numerator. 2 minus 1 is 1. 1 upon 20,000 is equal to 0.12 upon C. Do the cross multiplication. C, 1 into C is C. C is equal to 0.12 into 20,000, and its answer is rupees 2,400. Therefore, amount of each annuity payment is rupees 2,400. This complete your question number 14th. Now we start question number 15. For an annuity immediate paid for 3 years with interest compounded at 10% per annum, the present value is rupees 24,000. What will be the accumulated value after 3 years? Again same way, given that what is given, P is equal to rupees 24,000 is given, N is equal to 3 years is given, and R is equal to 10%. From this R you have to calculate I, and this I is what? 0.1, and 1.1 raised to 3, it is equal to 1.331. And what you have to find? You have to find A. Okay, so A is equal to relation between A, P and I. It is what? A is equal to P into bracket 1 plus I raised to N. Put the values. P is equal to 24,000. 1 plus I is 0.1 raised to 3. 24,000, 1.1 raised to 3. That you know it is 1.331. 1.331. So do the multiplication. After multiplication, your answer is rupees 31,944. Therefore, accumulated value after 3 years is rupees 31,944. I hope you understood the concept of annuity, and you can solve the remaining sums using this all 6 formulas.